South Korean fighter jets inadvertently dropped 8 bombs on a civilian area, injuring at least 15 civilians. According to the South Korean Air Force, the bombs released by the fighter jets fell outside the designated firing range this morning. The Air Force has issued an apology and expressed its sincere hopes for the swift recovery of those injured. An investigation into the incident will be conducted in the city of Poechon, located in close proximity to the heavily fortified border with North Korea. For several years, local residents have protested the training grounds due to their potential risks, and they are now demanding the immediate suspension of all live firing exercises.